with respect to our CMA final, this is a sure success strategy. That means day before exam, you need to revise which are there in category A, and if the time permits, go to category B, then C and D you can left out. So these are the important areas in this particular category A chapters. I just, based on the modules, I just divided them. So module 1, that is supply, exemptions, time of supply, even though it was not that much asked previously, but we can keep focus for this exam. Place of supply, valuation, ITC, zero rated supplies and exports, TDS and TCS, GST returns, accounts and records. These are the A category chapters in our GST. We need to keep more focus on these areas: supply, exemptions, time of supply, place of supply, value of supply, input tax credit, zero rated supplies and deemed exports, TDS and TCS, GST returns, accounts and records. In this, if you observe, supply and exemptions are generally going to be asked in every attempt, and place of supply, value of supply and ITC are also there in always every attempt. And see, TDS, TCS and returns are also there almost in every attempt. That's why these are the areas, and rest of the zero rated supplies and deemed exports and accounts and records and time of supply, they are going to be asked occasionally, but I think for this particular exam, for your exam, you need to study these three also: time of supply, zero rated supplies and accounts and records also. These are the important areas. That means with respect to category A in our GST. Now with respect to customs, module number 18 as per our CMA material, valuation under Customs Act 1962 and customs procedures, that is baggage, courier and post, and this is export promotion schemes. See, these are the important every attempt. This is the area you need to keep more focus. If at all, I just want to give you one suggestion here. Then I will ask you to read customs first, because there are only 3 chapters, less syllabus, almost 28 approximately is coming from these chapters. First read the customs, A category chapters. After that, read this particular category A chapters with respect to our GST. Okay. And now with respect to category B. So once category A was completed, the next thing you can do is category B, if at all time permits you, in GST, RCM, composition scheme, e-way bill, refunds. Generally, these are important. If you want to give more priority in category B, please read reverse charge mechanism, concepts and composition scheme. And later on time is there, you can read these two. And in customs, you need to read these areas: duty drawback, import of the goods at concessional rate, remission of duty, trade facilitation measures, special economic zones. In this, keep focus on these 3: duty drawback and these 2. This is with respect to category B. Okay, in this case also, once this RCM and composition scheme is completed, read the duty drawback and these areas. After that, read remaining areas. Okay. This is with respect to category B. So category B, RCM, composition scheme, duty drawback, trade facilitation measures and special economic zone. First, you need to read these 4 chapters in category B. Still time is there, you can study them, remaining ones. And these are the things 100% you can ignore. Transition, inspection, session seizure, we are taking a risk, but that is okay. Anti-profiteering, walkthrough of GST portal, and the refunds, customs refunds. These are the areas, we're just actually ignoring them. So these are the points you need to study, ma'am. With respect to our GST, first thing is, you need to study customs first. Read the customs first. Later on come to GST, because already while the classes are going on, you keep more focus on GST. Therefore, obviously you are more comfortable in GST than the customs. That's why start the customs first. What are the important areas in customs? That means, for example, in category A, valuation, baggage, courier, export promotion schemes, and in category B, duty drawback, special economic zones, like that. You need to study ma. So once these particular points are over, then come to category A and category B of the GST, like supply, exemptions, time of supply, place of supply, valuation. So these are the areas, zero rated, TDS, TCS, GST returns. And after that, RCMA and composition scheme. This is the way how you need to read this particular concept. So, but keep it in mind with respect to your CMA final, apart from the practical questions, keep more focus on theory, because in CMA final, more theory questions are going to be asked. So, I just want to make it short and sweet. So, read them. That is more than sufficient for your pass mark. That means 50, 50.